So in today's video, we are looking at Euro USD on 15 minutes time frame chart. I'll be pointing out the exact levels you should be watching to take advantage of the price move, because we'll be having a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. So I'll be showing you exactly levels to watch and how to take advantage of any move towards those levels. So if this is your first time coming in contact with our channel, this is the Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify forex trading and help traders become profitable in the forex market. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when we release our next videos. Without further ado, let's get into the very business of the day, which is looking at the Euro USD 15 minutes time frame chart. This is for intraday traders. So the first thing we want to consider in this chart is this channel. When you look at the market, you find out that the market is in a kind of a consolidation, and in that process, price also created this double top here with the neck region right here. We've seen price rally back towards this double top. However, you can see that the channel is doing a yeoman's job here. We know that the price loves symmetry. That means that if price leaves one side of a channel, it's most likely heading to the other end of the channel. But we have a barrier right here. When we connect these higher lows, you can see that this rising trend line will serve as a support to the price. So price will not be able to move down unless we get a break of this very rising trend line. So if we get a break to the downside, then a short opportunity is favored towards the bottom of this very channel, which will be around 1.1688485. That will also concerned with the price coming to fill the imbalances here, because we have imbalance right from here down to this area. This whole area has imbalances that needs to be filled, but that will not happen unless we see price break below this rising trend line, which will serve as a support to price. The other way around, if price is unable to break this very rising trend line, that means that we may get a rally to the upside, and this channel top here will be serving as a resistance. So if price is able to break above that resistance right here, price will now target this highest first, which is at 1.1740. Then the next will be 1746, and then this will be the next high, which will be 1.1761. Then after this, the next level will be 1.1770, and then 1.1778 area. But that can only be possible if we get a break above this very descending channel top. All you need to do is wait for that price to break either here or here and take your position. If it breaks below here, you take your short position with your stop above this area. But if it breaks to the upside, you take a long position with your stop just below this area. So that is exactly how we'll be approaching the trade for today. Ensure you hit that like button and leave a comment in the comment section. That will tell the algorithm that you got value from it and they can spread it to other people that have need of it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.